students, how are you? I hope you all are fine and safe in your home. Today we are going to learn about comparing and ordering of numbers. To compare the numbers, we learn certain rules. Let us learn them. First, we count the number of the digits in the given number. The number with more digit is greater. The number with less digit is smaller. Seven lakhs 45,620. 85,723. Look at these two numbers. Which is greater, which is smaller? How do you find which is greater, which is smaller? First we count the number of the digits. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This number has 6 digits. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This number has 5 digits. The number with more digits is greater. So, 7,45,620 is greater than 85,723. Step 2. If the number of the digits are equal, we compare the leftmost digit. 8,23,745. 9,45,260. Look at these two numbers. This number has 6 digits. This number also has 6 digits. So we compare the leftmost digit. The leftmost digit is lakhs digit. In the lakhs place, here 8. In the lakhs place, here 9. The 8 is less than 9. So this number is less than this number. If the last digits are equal, we compare 10,000 digits. 9 lakhs 42,840. 9 lakhs 62,860. Look at these two numbers. These two numbers are 6-digit numbers. Compare that lakhs digit. In lakhs place, here 9. In lakhs place, here 9. The lakhs digits are also equal. So we compare 10,000 digits. In this number, 4 is in 10,000 place. In this number, 6 is in 10,000 place. 4 is less than 6. So, 9 lakhs 42,840 is less than 9 lakhs 62,860. Step 4. If the lakhs and 10,000 digits are same, we compare 1,000 digits. 6 lakhs 85,926. 6 lakhs 82,900. See these two numbers. These two numbers are 6-digit numbers. The number of the digits are equal in these two numbers. So we compare the last digit. In last place, here 6. In this number, the last place 6. The last digits are same. So we compare the 10,000 digit. In 10,000 place, here 8. In 10,000 place, here 8. The 10,000 digits are also equal. So we compare 1000 digits. In 1000 place, here 5. Here 2. 5 is greater than 2. So this number is greater than this number. In this way, we continue our comparison digit by digit until we get the different digits. For example, 7,43,840, 7,43,920. In these two numbers, the first three digits are equal. Lakhs, 10,000s, 1,000 digits are equal in these two numbers. So we compare 100 digits. In the 100 place, here 8. In 100 place, here 9. The 8 is less than 9. So 7,43,840 is less than 7,43,920. 8,66,920. 8,66,980. In these two numbers, the first four digits are equal. Lakhs, 10,000s, 1,000s, hundreds are equal. So we compare tens digit. In tens place, here 2. In tens place, here 8. The 2 is less than 8. So this number is less than this number. Next, 7,45,872. 7,45,876. In these two numbers, the first 5 digits are equal. So we compare the ones digit. Here the ones digit is 2. Here the ones digit is 6. The 2 is less than 6. So 7,45,872 is less than 7,45,876. Now we see ascending order. What is ascending order? Ascending order means arranging the numbers from smallest to biggest. Look at this picture. How the dolls are arranged. The dolls are arranged from smallest to greatest. In this way, we arrange the numbers from smallest to greatest in ascending order. Ascending order. In ascending order, we arrange the numbers from smallest to greatest. 78,240, 98,600, 8,490, 23,623. How do you arrange these numbers in ascending order? In ascending order, first we write the smallest number. How do you find the smallest number? First we count the number of the digits. This number has 5 digits. This number has 5 digits. This number has 4 digits. This number has 5 digits. The number with the less digit is smaller. So we write 8,490 at the beginning. 8,490. We cancel this number from the list. Now we have 3 numbers. All are 5-digit numbers. So we compare the leftmost digit, that is 10,000 digit. In 10,000 place, here 7, here 9, here 2. The 2 is less than 7 and 8. So this number is less than these 2 numbers. So we write 23,623 in the second place. Now we have 2 numbers. In these 2 numbers, 7 is in 10,000 place, 9 is in 10,000 place. The 7 is less than 9. So this number comes before this number. 78,240. Now we have only one number, 98,600. We write 98,600 at the end. 8,490 is less than 23,623. This number is less than 78,240. This number is less than 98,600. We see next example. Nine lakh 45,200. 9 lakh 82,460. 9 lakh 22,670. 9 lakh 16,600. How do we arrange these numbers in ascending order? First we count the number of the digits. This number has 6 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 digits. All the numbers are 6-digit numbers. So we compare the leftmost digit, that is last digit. In last place, here 9, here 9, here 9, here 9. The last digits are equal. So we compare the 10,000 digit. In 10,000 place, here 4, here 8, here 2, here 1. The 1 is smaller than 2, 4 and 8. So this is the smallest number. We write 9 lakhs 16,600 at the beginning. Now we have three numbers. In these three numbers, the lakhs digits are equal. We see 10,000 digit. In 10,000 place, here 4, here 8, here 2. This number is smaller than these two numbers. So, we write 9,22,670 in the second place. Now we have two numbers. In these two numbers, the lakhs digits are equal. In this number, 4 10,000s, 8 10,000s. The 4 10,000 is less than 8 10,000s. So we write 9,45,200. In the third place, we write this number at last. 9,82,460. Nine lakhs 16,600 is less than 9,22,670. This number is less than 9,45,200. This number is less than 9,82,460. Now we move to descending order. What is descending order? Arranging the numbers from greatest to smallest is descending order. Look at this picture. In this picture, how the dolls are arranged? The dolls are arranged from greatest to smallest. In this way, we are arranging the numbers from greatest to smallest in descending order. Descending order. Descending order means arranging the numbers from greatest to smallest. $78,216, 1,45,720, 9,640, 85,920. How do we arrange these numbers in descending order? In descending order, we arrange the numbers from greatest to smallest. First we write the greatest number. How do we find the greatest number? First we count the number of the digits. This number has 5 digits. This number has 6 digits. This number has 4 digits. This number has 5 digits. The number with more digit is greater. First we write 1,45,720. Now we have 3 numbers. In these 3 numbers, the 2 numbers are 5-digit numbers. In the 5-digit numbers, here 7 in 10,000 place. In this number, 8 in 10,000 place. This number is greater than this number. So we write 85,920 in the second place. Now we have 2 numbers. This 5-digit number is greater than this number. So we write 78,216. In the third place, we write 9,640. 640 at last. Let us see another example. 1,45,720 is greater than 85,920. This number is greater than 78,260. This number is greater than 9,640. Let us move to another example. 9,62,400. 9,65,620. 9,67,700. 9,85,800. How do we write these numbers in descending order? First we write the greatest number. First we check the number of the digits. This number has 6 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 digits. The number of the digits are equal in all the numbers, so we compare the leftmost digit, that is lakhs digit. In lakhs place, here 9. In this number 9 is in lakhs place. In this number 9 is in lakhs place. In this number 9 is in lakhs place. The lakhs digits are also equal in all the numbers, so we compare the 10,000 digit. In 10,000 place, here 6, here 6, here 6, here 8. This number is greater than these three numbers, so we write 9,85,800 at first. Now we have three numbers. In these three numbers, the first two digits are equal. So we compare the 1,000 digit. In 1,000 place, here 2, here 5, here 7. The 7 is greater than 5 and 2. So we write 9,67,700. Now we have two numbers. In these two numbers, 9,65,620 is greater than this number. So we write this number in third place. 9,65,620. We write this number at end. 9,62,400. 9,85,800 is greater than 9,67,700. This number is greater than 9,65,620. This number is greater than 9,62,400. Now we see forming smallest and greatest 5-digit number using given digits. First we see forming 5-digit number. Now we see forming the smallest and greatest 5-digit number using given digits. First we see form the smallest 5-digit number. For example, 6, 7, 9, 1, 2. How do you form the smallest 5-digit number using these digits? digits. To form the smallest number, we arrange the given digits in ascending order. Among these numbers, which is the smallest? 1. So we write 1 at first, then 2, then 6, then 7, then 9. 12,679 is the smallest 5-digit number. We move to next example. 8, 0, 4, 9, 2. Now we have the digits 8, 0, 4, 9, 2. How do we form the smallest number? To form the smallest number, we arrange these digits in ascending order. Which is the smallest one? 0. Then 2. Then 4. Then 8. Then 9. Look at this number carefully. Is it a 5-digit number? No. This is a 4-digit number. But they asked the smallest 5-digit number. If we write the 0 at first, there is no value for 0. So, 0 is any one of the digit. Always we write the 0 in the second place. You write the second smallest number at first. 2, 0, 4, 8, 9. 20,489 is the smallest 5-digit number. If 0 is any one of the digit, always we put the 0 in the second place. Now we move to form the greatest 5-digit number. How do you form the greatest number? To form the greatest number, we arrange the given digits in descending order. Now we have the digits 8, 9, 4, 1, 2. To get the greatest 5-digit number, we arrange these digits in descending order. Which is the greatest one? 9. We write 9 at first, then 8, then 4, then 2, then 1. 98,421 is the greatest 5-digit number. Next example. Now we have the digits 9, 8, 5, 2, 3. To form the greatest 5-digit number, you arrange these digits in descending order. Which is the biggest one? 9. So we write 9 first, then 8, then 5, then 3, then 2. 98,532 is the greatest 5-digit number. This is your today homework. The first one is write the following numbers in ascending order. 42,620, 58,780, 67,200, 4,226. The second one is 2,75,620, 2,69,900, 2,86,700, 2,72,634. The second sum is form the smallest 5-digit number using given digits. 7, 6, 2, 3, 5. The next one is 4, 0, 9, 3, 8. Take your notebook. Do these sums in your notebook. Thank you, children.